Foundation damage is a common problem in the Los Angeles area, a problem that won't fix itself. California Foundation Works has been the foundation experts for over 20 years. Our foundation solutions stops damaging settlement and soil issues and put your home back on a solid foundation. Our services include structural and foundation repairs, earthquake retrofitting, house floor leveling, concrete work, drainage, and waterproofing systems. We offer affordable solutions to help you make your home a safer place. Call for a free on-site estimate today or visit us on the web for more information. At California Foundation Works, we believe that a solid home sits on a solid foundation.